Okay, so I am finishing up this one shelf and I'm going to put it in place. It's a little dirty over here. Get it in the hole properly. Alright. Okay. This shelf cost me $40 at Lowe's. It's cheaper than Walmart. I'm gonna put the little caps on. One shelf down, 2 more to go. And like that. I measured yesterday too. Make sure that these shelves would fit. So let's move along here. I think I'm gonna have to move Mr. Indian Man. I can do some redecorating a little bit. Fits perfect. So that takes care of that one. Then I'll assemble the other ones and we'll go across here, all across. Somewhere. Take this down to relocate things. I'm going to put my little window air conditioning unit that's sitting right there, that's in the way. I'm going to put it in the very bottom shelf over here in the corner. That way I'll have it when I need it. Here, sweetie. This stuff, I want to keep this. Reorganize it. Okay, baby. Just 1 second, sweetie pie. Cece Miller! What you doing? Baby girl.